Today I'm going to be reviewing Puraesla Hot Mess Express vinyl stickers, 225. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at what we got. No repeats, they say. 225. I'm just getting a handful here. Today's agenda, chaos, more chaos. Did I mention chaos? Nice stickers already pre-cut. Don't hate me because I'm a little cooler. Oh my God. Goosebump. Alrighty. Oh, this is the one I was looking for here. As far as I know, I'm delightful. Look at that. So lots of these in there. I choose violence. Great for your bottles. This meeting could have been an email. I say that a lot. So lots of these in there. No bull crap. I'm not going to say the full thing. Anyways, they are waterproof. They're vinyl. They look really nice. That's up front. Shiny. Some of them have, they all have kind of like this glitter look. It's got a 4.8 stars, 118 reviews. Most people aren't going to leave a review for stickers, but these people did. And amazingly, not only is this an Amazon choice, but last month, 2,000 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.